How to change ringtone on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the ringtone on your iPhone. You can choose from the built-in ringtones or download additional tones from the tone store. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap Ringtone. Here, you'll see all the available ringtone options. Your current ringtone will have a check mark next to it. To change your ringtone, simply tap any tone you like. Your iPhone will play a preview so you can hear it before selecting it. You can also scroll down to the Classic section for additional traditional ringtone options. If you want more choices, tap Tone Store at the top. From there, you can browse and purchase additional ringtones using your Apple account. Once you select a ringtone, it will automatically become your new default ringtone for incoming calls. And that's how to change your ringtone on an iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.